All right, welcome back, my dear students. I hope you're really awake. If not, put some water over your face, get some coffee, some natural energy drinks, and let's get it going. All right, so now let's build another input element. Here on the last lecture, we built this input element. We built the label. We build some attributes, some in a data array. All right, we put some stuff in there, and we're taking it in right here. All right, so what's the next step? Well, we create another, and let's just copy this one here because we don't want to type all that again, and paste it. So the next form label is going to be password. Let's create this one, and it's going to have the same class, different name attribute value for password, placeholder enter password. All right, and the form input is going to be different. The name of that function is going to be form underscore password. That's right, they have a function for the input password. All right, perfect. Save it. All right, and come back here. All right, and those of you out there that are wondering, this course is going to have a group on Facebook. All right, it should have one by now, so make sure that you go ahead and look it up. If you don't know it, message me. It should be on the announcement section of the course. The link should be there. Okay, just because I like to have support from all my students, of course. All right, perfect. So the next step is building the submit button. Let's do it right now. Since this is easier, let's actually copy this whole thing too. Why not? And paste it in there. Now for the submit, we don't need a lot of we don't need a label, right? There we go. We do need a data array. All right, and the class is going to be a different class. Let's use another Bootstrap class called BTM. That's one, and let's use another one called BTM primary. There we go. All right, we don't need a name. Actually, we do need a name attribute value, and we're just going to say submit. Save. And instead of placeholder here, we can say value, and we can say login for that. Login. Save. And instead of password, for the function name, we're just going to say submit. That's it. Let's come back here. That was fast, right? And enter. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, we click on it. Of course, that's just going to take it to a login view there, but we'll make it work later. But as you can see here, we are actually really improving our application. It's really coming together. And it's going to look really good. All right. We're not worried about too much about the looks of it, but we're using Bootstrap to help us with that. But we are worried more about the functionality. And that's the major thing, all right? Because looks, we can get a template out there anywhere online and make our application look awesome without too much effort, right? But the functionality is something else that we have to code ourselves just to make it the way we want. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this lecture. I hope you're really excited. What's going to happen in the next lectures is going to be really awesome, all right? See you in the next lectures, and keep having fun. Coding is fun. Take care.